Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get back deleted photos from Dropbox. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Just click on it and type Dropbox and press enter on the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is dropbox.com. Just click on it and you will be able to see the Dropbox interface. I have already logged in. So if you have also already logged in previously, then you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Dropbox icon and the Dropbox text. You just have to click on it and the Dropbox homepage will be shown to you. Now you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be list of tabs. You just have to click on the deleted files tab and deleted files section will appear right in front of you, and here will be the files that you have deleted. So now you just have to choose the photo that you want to restore. Just click on it, and after that you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be restore button. You just have to click on the restore button and you will be able to get back the deleted photos from Dropbox. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.